Hi everyone, Matt here from CarWow. I've got a very interesting drag race for you today. I'm in my Mercedes-AMG G63 daily driver, and over there, way over there in fact, is an E63 S estate. And in the middle, a Ford Focus RS. May seem odd, but it actually makes sort of sense. You see, this has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 585 horsepower and 850 newton meters of torque. It's four-wheel drive, got an automatic gearbox. That E63 S has the same engine pretty much, 4-litre twin-turbo V8, but it's tuned to 612 horsepower, still has 850 newton meters of torque, four-wheel drive, automatic gearbox. That Ford Focus RS, you might think, well, yeah, I know it's got a 2.3-litre turbocharged four-cylinder engine, but it only has 350 horsepower. Well, no, it doesn't actually. That one's been tuned by Mountune, so they've fitted a bigger turbo. They've redone the engine internals, much stronger inside now, so it can cope with extra power. New intercooler, new exhaust, downpipes, the lot. 15 grand's worth of performance upgrades. The result, 520 horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque. And when you think that this thing weighs 2.5 tons, the E63 is 2.1 tons, and that Focus RS is 1.6 tons, things even out a bit. The only disadvantage it has, while it is four-wheel drive, it's got a manual gearbox, so the driver needs some skill, but it does have a launch control. Let's have a drag race. Good start, and by the Mountune. Oh, I'm ahead of the Mountune. What's he doing? Oh, the E63 is gone. I think he had a duff gear change. He's not pulling on me. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, that was so close. He was pulling back. I think he had a crappy gear change. Should be able to flat shift in that thing. You just dip the clutch and do it and change gears. You'd have to lift off the throttle, just keep it flat. This thing is quick. That E63 though is just mental.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Mercedes-AMG E63 S did the standing quarter mile in 11.2 seconds. The G63 crossed the line in 12.4 seconds. Finally, the Mountune Focus may have had a great start, but it still came last with a time of 12.5 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race, 50 miles an hour, auto's locked in third, that's obviously manual and it's in third. Let's see what happens. I'll count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! This picks up so well. Oh, here comes the Mountune. Oh, I see him just dropping on the gear change. Now he's coming. So close, but that E63 is quick. And now he's got me. I'm going quick. We know what's happening there. That's the end of that. That E63 is so quick. That Mountune's quick, but when you see it change gear, there's a clear like drop off. These autos are just better. Yeah, everyone loves a manual gearbox, they're more involving, blah, 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 blah. But when it comes to going quickly, an auto is better than a man. Fact. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. See which car brakes in the shortest distance. Don't reckon it's going to be this? Click up there to vote, see if you can guess. Here comes the line. Come on! Oh my gosh, the E63 won that. I'm not sure about this and the Focus. That's actually got rated performance brakes. They probably need to be heated up because it's actually track brakes, so it's probably not helping it. But this thing, you know, for a big old bus, it stops so well. I'm gonna have to get out to see what won that. Okay, G-Wagon was last. Clean sweep then for the E63. Mountune Focus RS. Did it win the rolling race? Did in the end. Took a while though. 125 mile an hour I was doing when it came past me. And it just about beat this in the brake test. I tell you what, this thing, for the performance it delivers, considering what it can do as well in terms of off-road capability, it really is quite a staggering machine. I love it. It's lovely. But one day it's going to have to go back.